How can buyers and sellers use their tax refund to accomplish home ownership goals in 2022? Well, if you're buying or selling a home this year, you're likely saving up for a variety of expenses. For buyers, that might include things as your down payment or even your closing costs. And if you're sellers, you're probably working on a bit of spring cleaning and maintenance to spruce up your house before you list it. Buyers, you can use your tax refund multiple ways. Number one, grow your down payment fund. Number two, pay for your home inspection. Number three, saving for closing costs. Now, sellers, on the other hand, can use your tax refund to make sure your home is actually ready to hit the market. This is important. A couple of things you can do is, one, make small upgrades. Two, make repairs. Number three, you can actually use it to make and buy your next home. Check below for our full blog article for a list of tips, savings, and other tricks.